Klaus, do you know why Francine is recording my stories? Is she trying to steal them for a book or something?
Like you did when you befriended the situation?
Yeah, like that.
Oh no, she doesn't care about what you're saying. She just likes the sounds your mouth makes when you whisper and stuff. They relax her. She's recording everything you do.
What? Roger is crunching? Oh my god, is that what I sound like when I eat pickles? Oh, so nasally. I thought I sounded more like Dwayne Vin Diesel The Rock Johnson. Rawr, we're family. Crunch, crunch. Francine's not listening to me?